In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Discord email. Verifying your Discord email is a quick way to secure your account and make sure you can recover it if you ever get locked out. It also helps Discord confirm that you're a real person, which can reduce login issues and lets you receive important account notices. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Discord app or go to Discord in your browser and log in. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. On the desktop interface, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. Next to your username, you'll see a small gear icon labeled User Settings. Click that gear to open your account settings. You'll land on a section called My Account, which is usually the first tab in the sidebar. This page shows your basic details, including the email address you used to sign up. At the top of this page, look for a banner that says Verify Email or Resend Verification Email. If you see Verify Email, it means you haven't completed verification yet. If it says Resend, Discord has already sent a message before and is offering to send it again in case you missed it. Click the Verify or Resend Verification Email button. Discord will send a message to the inbox associated with your account. Now, open the email inbox for the address you used when you created your Discord account. If you're not sure which email that is, you can double-check the address displayed on the My Account page you just viewed. In your inbox, look for an email from Discord. The subject line usually mentions verification. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment, refresh the page, and check folders like Promotions, Updates, Spam, or Junk. When you find the message, open it and click the verification link inside. This link will confirm to Discord that you own the email address on your account. After you click the link, a browser tab will open confirming that your email has been verified. If you're prompted to log in again, just sign in with your Discord credentials and the confirmation will complete. Head back to Discord, and that banner on My Account should disappear, letting you know everything is set. That's it. Your Discord email is now verified. Keep this email address up to date and avoid clicking links from messages that don't clearly come from Discord. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher.